Hello, today I talk about how to download and install Schneider PLC software, EcoStruxure Control Expert, version 15.3. You can download from this website. Go to Google, search, then go to Schneider Electric website. Here is EcoStruxure Control Expert 15.3. Here you can download this 2024 July 26th release. So you can go to here, you download. If your download is Schneider software, you have to create an account, log in, register, okay? Then you can download. Also, this software just 30 days limit. After this, you have to have activity, okay? Now we just use this one. 30 days free. I download already. Now let's start and install. Okay, click here. English. Okay, here you should install all the requirement software. Most is Microsoft Windows Visual, Microsoft SQL Service. XM. Okay, yes. Yeah. When you install the communication driver, it's all this water bus USB. Okay. Okay, stop. Start again. Yes. Here's EcoStruxure Control Expert. So we can open this demo. Unity Pro Excel, so you can do anything. It's motion control, it's PLC, so you can create a new one. We can choose Modicon M340, Modicon M580, everything. Yeah, Modicon is moment value, is a quantity. Okay, all the same thing, same your simulation. Okay, so I just show you how to download and install this software. Near future we talk how to use this software. Okay, thank you very much.